Maisy is cleaning her house today. Oh, who can that be? It's Charley. Come in, Charley. You're just in time to help Maisy tidy up. Charley can smell something delicious. What's that in the kitchen, Maisy? Lots of yummy cakes. Oh dear, the floor is still wet. You'll have to wait until it's dry, Charley. While he's waiting, Charley tidies up all the toys. And Maisy vacuums the sitting room. Then Charley cleans the windows from the inside. And Maisy cleans them from the outside. That looks better. At last, the kitchen floor is dry. Now Maisy and Charley can have some cakes. Hooray! Well done, Maisy. Well done, Charley. Enjoy your cakes.